What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to look at important machine learning terminology. So guys, before we actually begin, right, I would like to mention a few things to you. Now you see, I'm not sure if you guys read the descriptions of the videos themselves, but within the description there's actually a link to my website. Now the website is a WordPress website which I started last year in 2022. This website I created before I made the decision to actually start a YouTube channel. So what you'll find is that on the website, right, currently there are good amounts of articles that talk about a variety of different trending topics. Okay, it's like, you know guys, data science, machine learning, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, and so on. Now the thing is, since I do not want that good knowledge to, you know, get wasted on WordPress, since I won't really be creating more content for the website itself, I'll just be posting code and so on. So what I intend to do over the next few videos, and I think it will be a fun and engaging session for us, I plan to basically have these small short recordings in which I just, you know, browse along the articles with you. So what you'll find in that in this video, we are going to cover some important machine learning terminology. Okay, so let's get started together, guys. So I should mention that, you see, grasping the general idea of these terms, it's going to ensure that you are able to hold a professional conversation, okay, with your friend, with your colleague, or so on. Anyone who's in the field of machine learning, if you know these basic terms, you will have the ability to comprehend and partake to some extent in the conversation itself. Okay, so let's get to it. I will provide it as term and explanation in a sort of tabular format. Okay, so let's get to it. For term 1, we have data/data set. Now you see guys, the term data is often used interchangeably with data set. Now why I say that, guys, is because you see, when people talk about data, that data is available in the form of a data set. Okay, now in machine learning terminology, when someone refers to data or the data set, we are referring to the collection of facts that are related. Okay, data is often presented in a tabular table format and it consists of rows and columns. Okay, for number 2, we have feature. Now a feature refers to a single column in the data set itself. For number 3, we have observation. Observation refers to a single row in the data set. For number 4, we have algorithm. Now this is an important term. Algorithm refers to the selected methodology which is used to analyze a data set. Okay, each algorithm will require data to be passed into it in a specific format and specific structure. Okay, for number 5, we have model. Model refers to the output of an algorithm's training process. The machine will use the model as a point of reference or point of teaching when making predictions for future scenarios. For number 6, we have fitting. Fitting refers to the process during which a machine learning algorithm is applied to the data itself. Number 7, training. The first time or particular instance when the algorithm is applied to the data. During the training process, the model gains insight into the data. The model learns how to use the data to make correct predictions. Number 8, we have parameters. This is another interesting one. It is also called weights or coefficients. As in mathematics, it is the number before a variable. Okay guys, you should know of 5 and 1. So in the simple example here, f of x is equals to 5x plus y. Okay, 5 and 1. You guys, if you have taken high school mathematics, you will know the 5 and 1 to be called coefficients. Now those coefficients in machine learning terminology, we simply refer to those as parameters. Okay, Now we have hyperparameters. Hyperparameters refers to the settings of the algorithm. Just like how a function accepts arguments via its parameters, a learning algorithm will accept arguments for its hyperparameters. The values specified will affect the way in which the model is created. Number 10, we have performance. This is a term that is used to describe the evaluation of a model's accuracy. Okay guys, and with that we have reached the end of this first article for this video. I hope you guys, found this interesting, and you may have noticed as well that I do have some new equipment to make our videos better, much more informative. I've purchased a webcam as well as a microphone, and I look forward to creating more such engaging content for us to enjoy together. So with that, thanks so much for watching guys. Thanks for your time. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.